So this is the data, both base and global. So the online platform we will use is AUSPOS. So I'll search for it. I think AUSPOS GNSS processing. So you can see it's an Australia platform. So it's online GPS processing service. There are 24 hours available. You just click on it. So if you have time, you can read through. So the major criteria is that your file must be in RINEX format. So that's .o. You get, that is number one criteria. Number two is that your observation timing must not be less than 1 hour. You get, it was 1 hour, not less than 1 hour rather. Yeah. So that shows it. Then you must note, although it's going to bring out the measurement, that is the height of equipment, but you can still edit it. Sure. So that is just, if you read all these strings now, it's the same thing we are talking about. So if you just scroll down, all those history, then you can click on submit your data. So if you click on that submit data, it will bring you to this dialog box. So you click on choose files. So you just go to that folder where you have. So you just first open the folder. So you see that there are different files here. The most important one is this one that has this .o. This .o simply means observation files. That is the main GPS data. You understand? So if you still want to confirm it, you check it because you still see another .o if you scroll down now. You see another one. So you will check the size of the data. That's what still determines two things: observation and the size. So if I check the size of this one now, you see 3.59 MB. If you check the size of this one now, 29 point something kilobytes. So this one is like error. If you check that yesterday now, after the thing completes 1 hour, it starts taking another record. Only this second one. So that one is not part of the data. So you choose this particular one, this observation files. Click on open. It will appear here. It will show you the serial number of that value. So you have advantage to choose up to 20 different files. Yes. So you click on choose files again. So this time around, you just come to the raw file. So if I check this one now, this one is 3.7 MB. If I still go down, you see another one. This one is kilobytes. Okay. So you choose this one. Then you click on open. So you can see the two. This is the first one, second one. So after that, now you now scan. If you scan now, it will automatically give you the height of the equipment at that time, and it will bring you the antenna type. That is your receiver brand. So I'll click on scan for this one. You've seen it now, 1.5. That yesterday was 1.58. That's what I measured. So if you approximate it now, it's 1.58. So we can edit and just leave it or leave it like that. But I'll scan for this one now. So you can see the antenna type now, TRS Oscar receiver, TRS Oscar, Texas Oscar receiver. So that is it. The only thing you now need here now is your email. That's where we send the results. So you just check your email after, leave like 5 minutes or 15 minutes within that range. You see results. That result now you download it, then you copy the coordinates of the eastern northeast. You see the WGS, then you just convert it. Have you converted before? Like maybe with any software or something?
I only use France.
Okay, I sent you France one certain time.
I've been using it before then. My system that I had issue.
We'll use France in there. That one is more professional. So after email.
Okay, this is your email.
This is my email.
Okay.
So you just click on submit. So you have successfully submitted 2 files for processing. So see. So we just wait for a while. I think in the next 10 minutes I'll check my email and download it. Or let me just even check my email. It may be faster, sharp. Okay, so if you didn't see it here, you can check your spam. Times you do for spam. So we'll just check here after a while. So it's quite easy. If there is network in that site, we can even be there and process it and get results, then do one or two before the 4 o'clock or so. So the result of this one now have to correct in it to give you the accurate position of this one. So that is how it works. But we can't use it because it's a very long stand. So let's check the result of our AUSPOS GNSS analysis. Okay. Okay, let's download the PDF. This is the results PDF. Okay. So it will give you, these are what we will send to clients to give you all the, what's it called, the processing time, the standard deviation like accuracy. Alright, so this is the coordinates, height, above elevation, derived algebra height. Okay, this is the results of the base and the rover. We are going to, let's confirm it on Google Earth. The coordinates of this guy expected to fall right at the locations. So let's just copy. You can see it's on 32. Copy this. So this is how to fact check so that you not just rely on whatever data you have. So if the thing did not fall, that's like something is wrong.
Hello. Good afternoon. From. Okay. Yes. I'm not available tomorrow. I thought I hit 20 something. Yes. I'm not in Lagos person. Okay. Alright.
So that's going to be. So everything we just convert it to MENA for our own right job. So if I plot the other one out, I'll go for a single. So that's just the beauty of this website.